I'd like to tell you about small and tiny animals, Jungarian hamster. They are dwarf and they can be about 10 centimeters long. Their weight is about 45 grams. They have good fluffy legs and short tail. Their color is brown and gray with white spots on the body. They live in Siberia, Kazakhstan, Mongolia and Manchuria. In Shirinsky district, they live near Lake Belov and Lake Itkuy. It is very interesting, but in winter their color is white. They gray line on their back. They are very curious. They live in dry places and don't drink a lot of water. They are not afraid of frost. They sleep in winter. They eat insects which do agriculture harm. They make a valuable contribution to science. Take care of them.